Miso soup with brown udon noodles. Prepare the ingredients. Bring a pot of water to the boil. Add soba noodles and cook as per packet instructions. Once cooked, drain, then run under cold water to stop them from cooking and set aside. Meanwhile, cut 1 carrot into thick matchstick sized pieces. Grate 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Thinly slice the white and the greens of 2 scallions. In another saucepan, add 8 cups of vegetable stock. Add 2 cups of edamame. Add the carrots, add the ginger, add 1 tablespoon of wakame seaweed. Bring to the boil, then remove from the heat. Place half a cup of miso paste in a small bowl. Pour 1 cup of the hot stock over the miso and whisk into a smooth, thin slurry. Pour the miso slurry into the pot of stock. Stir well. Divide the cooked noodles into 4 bowls. Pour the hot miso broth over the noodles. Add to each bowl the scallions, baby spinach, cilantro, chili flakes, and serve.